morning. Sorry, yesterday I didn't say anything else after I did my gardening, but I took a shower and I was so tired. I got almost everything that I need done. Only need to just a little more of the garden. Let me get my coffee. So I'm working in my little project that is oh my gosh, what is the name? Tea bags holder. Let me see. Tea bags wallet. Tea time travel caddy. So it's to put tea bags there, and in that way I can have in my lunchbox. I'm working on that. The last one that I did is this. I'm trying to use every item that is on my sewing box, because I think it's a nice challenge. You're not just getting a sewing or a subscription and just leaving there. Anyway, that's what I'm doing. And I got all these. Let me show you. The first one that I got is Simplicity. I want to do something like this on my purple fabric. I already washed. It's ready for this project, so it will be one of my October projects. The next one that I got is this one. It's a very different blouse. I love how it just go to that side. I think it's different. It will be nice to have something that it looks also simple to do, and it covers in the back. That is the most important part for me, and I think it was good too. Next one, look at this. That's gonna be a really nice jacket too. It was between this and this for the one that I want to do. It's pretty in the same style, but at the same time this is more sport, and this looks like something that you can wear every day. And more when I saw this color, the color with the purple thing, I don't know, we will see. It's an easy to sew, and this one is also an easy to sew, so it's not something that I will complicate my life. We will figure out. I got this dress pattern. Looks like a winter. It can be a summer dress or a winter dress, and that's what I like. And look at this one. It looks like it was made with I don't know, very wintry fabric. It doesn't look like a summer one, but I would love to do this one like in a red and white polka dot dress. Will be so beautiful. This is so pretty too. Next one, look at this. It has a little of I don't know, Asian style blouses that I've seen. I don't know how to describe, like a kung fu style, I would say. And I like that the buttons are crossing in that way and not like straight. So I thought it would be a nice, something different, a nice change. I like also that color. I don't know, I keep saying I don't know, but it's a different kind of blouse. I like that. Well, the dress that I wanted to make, that I want to make, for some reason I ordered two. I am not sure why, but maybe I will just cut, since it was $2.30. I will cut the pattern in one and have the others for any change that I get in my body, you know. But look at this, it's so simple. I got my boots, I like that, and I will make that, and maybe I will make it with the long sleeves. I don't know yet, or maybe just the short sleeves, so I can wear also in summer. let's see. Yeah, because the fabric is very soft. It's not like something very wintry, so I have to cut that one today, or at least trace. No, I don't need to even trace. I have to cut. Look at this dress. It's so perfect, like a vacation dress. When I'm more in shape, of course, and I can wear a bikini or whatever swimsuit, this would be a nice cover-up dress. I really love. I wouldn't know wear this like just like it is, but yes, for a summer vacation. And my last one. Oh, yeah, last one. Look at this beautiful coat. This is another of the coats that in maybe one day I will be able to make it, and I wanted to have that pattern. I love this style. It goes like a neck piece when it's not up, and like a hood when it's up. Beautiful. So those are all that I got. Okay, better hurry up. I need to go to work in few. Good morning to a beautiful, well, sorry, it's afternoon. It's 3 in the afternoon already. It's a beautiful day. I'm sorry that I'm beginning this day a little late, but we went to celebrate our wedding anniversary outside, and we went to a Japanese restaurant. It was amazing. I didn't finish the dress that I was trying to do because my pattern arrived kind of late, so I wear for first time the blouse that I did with my first So Hailey Jane box, and it was amazing. I really enjoyed. The food was amazing. I think I ate more than I wanted, or I should, and since I am on a diet, thanks God, I am now in 190.4. Yes, so I began with 200 pounds. 0.2, and now in 190.4. I feel ashamed about my weight, but I feel also proud that I am doing good. But here is how my day is going. Part of my day is gone without that, but I don't regret that. And I have to do my cleaning. I have not done anything, but I have also projects that I want to finish for today. Decorate the porch, finish the porch, remove tomatoes, finish travel wallet, get previous day done that I have not done, and edit one of my videos. And I have a game raid 5:30, so let's begin with the tea travel wallet that I'm working. Have my machine set, a video going. Maybe I will put music so I don't get distracted and I do faster this. Let's get this done. Raise the weight to the highest power.